Hello guys, good evening. Give a bundle of chairs from Golden ABC, Pen Shop, Oxygen for me, Mimo Regatta at saka Buko. Ayan, ito yung mga ano guys. Ayan, bubuksan na natin guys kung anong laman niya guys. That first is sleeper size kay 9. So wait lang ha. Wait lang. And then the second is bag from Pen Shop, and these slippers is Mimo guys. Ang slippers is this is a for size 9, and this is for Pen Shop na bag, and then this is for a short PLB pambabayi short. And then oh, this is a dress. Wait, isa man ni. From Pen Shop, I think. Pen Shop na siya, guys. Trouser. Oh my God, trouser. Size 34. From Mimo. Oh my God. Okay, from Mimo. Pen Shop yan, guys, ha. And then from Oxygen. Nice, Oxygen. Nice guys. Oxygen guys. Oxygen guys. So Oxygen. Wag na ko inana. So nako. And this is for Oxygen 2. This is for size basta dili makita ang size. This for Oxygen guys. And then oh, nanapod siya Oxygen. Another Oxygen guys. I have a 3 item of Oxygen, dalawang Pen Shop at dalawang Mimo. This one is Pen Shop coin purse. Coin purse guys sa Pen Shop. Orang langga. Oh, this is for Oxygen. Edit lang ba? This is for Oxygen. I have a 4 item Oxygen. This is for one piece guys. Oh my God, I like this t-shirt. Oh my God. So the size is extra large. Extra large. The last is Pen Shop t-shirt size. Anong size to? Wait. Pen Shop t-shirt guys. Slim fit. So I don't know what is the size guys, pero okay na siya guys. Ay dara, wala tayo. Ayan. For Pen Shop guys. Ibalik to ba? So this one is oh nice. This is for Oxygen. Another Oxygen guys, size large. Wow, nice siya guys. Nice siya guys. And then the last one is panty. Underwear guys. Underwear guys. Wait. Kajut lang mama. I don't know kung saan siya nga brand ma. Huy, alam sa ba? Kajut lang. So, meron tayong Mimo, Pen Shop. So, bali 4 na item guys. And then, Oxygen, mas marami yung Oxygen guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 guys. Tapos, ang Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 guys. Thank you. Ayo ba? Thank you, Gabsi. Thank you for this bundle of shares for the staff.